Welcome to the screen recording on how to install Cami extension in a Chromebook. So what we're going to do is we're going to swipe up to see our apps below here, and we're going to go to the web store. And now I have to find the web store. There we go. Click on the web store. And when it opens in the web store, we're going to search Cami, which is K-A-M-I. And we're looking for Cami extension, which should be the first thing that pops up. So Cami for Google Chrome. We're going to click on that. And you need to add to. We are going to click Add Extension. You can do this little A here is what we are looking for. And then when it is done, it says Cami Google Chrome has been added to your Chromebook. And we're going to be looking for that little K up there. And you have successfully added Cami to your Chromebook.